Okay, we are embroidering a baseball bag using our 6.25 by 8.25 Mighty Hoop. We are just doing the name and number up top because we already did the logo on the bottom earlier this year. They've added a player to the team. We have to be very careful when embroidering these because there are zippers, hooks, buckles everywhere. So our embroidery is literally going to be right here, avoiding this zipper and avoiding a zipper underneath. We are also using my sewing seat to hold up the bag to embroider because it's very heavy, it's very bulky. I'm not going to be able to sit there and hold it up while it embroiders. So these are some of my best tips. And again, you can tell back here we have the rest of the flap kind of up and out of the way so that we don't bump into anything. We do not want to bump into a zipper or a buckle because that will break our needles and break a presser foot. We just don't want to do that.